Ever wondered what really happens when you crack your knuckles? Contrary to popular belief, cracking your knuckles does not cause arthritis. The sound is actually caused by the rapid release of gas bubbles from the synovial fluid in your joints. Studies have shown no direct link between knuckle cracking and the development of joint issues. Dr. Donald Unger, who cracked the knuckles on one hand for 60 years, showed no difference between his two hands. However, excessive cracking can lead to decreased grip strength or hand swelling over time. So, while it's not a harmful habit, moderation is key. Understanding the science dispels myths and informs better health practices.